Okay, boys and girls, we are going to now add a picture into our presentation. So you can do a couple of things. You can go and if you have a website that you see a picture that you already know that you want that picture. So for example, I like this picture of Zeus. What I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on top of it. I'm going to say copy image. And then I'm going to go to my presentation. I'm going to right click and say paste. So, and here it is. Now, if it's too big or too small, I'm only going to go on the top of the corner, make it into an arrow. See how it's across? Make it into an arrow and then pull in or pull out. Do not pull on the middle or the side. Only use the corners to go in or out. So here is my picture. However, what I need to do underneath is I need to copy the URL or the address of where I got this picture. So I go back to the picture and say copy image URL, go back to my presentation, and I'm going to paste. So it's already created a text box for me, and this is my URL. I can make this one smaller. This one, it is okay if I pull in the middle. Okay, and if I highlight, I can change how big it is. It's best if we make it pretty small. That way it's not, because this is not the only thing we're going to be focusing on this page. It's just a small part of it. So I want to put it right underneath the picture. That way it shows that this picture is not mine and this is where I got it from. The second way you can get a picture is, for example, I can open up a new tab, and we can use Google for this because you are going to find more information. So I can say Zeus. I can click on images. Now this is very important to follow these directions. If I go on top of a picture, I can see down right here there's a number. The bigger the number, the better. Okay, this one has a smaller number. And what do those numbers mean? It means how clear the picture is going to be. So I like this picture right here, so I'm going to click on it. It opens up, and then I click on View Image. All right, make sure you go to View Image. Now I can do the same. Copy image, go back, right click, paste. Now because this one had a higher number, it might take a few extra seconds. So I'm going to have to go to the corner, pull, pull, pull. I can drag it up and then go to the corner, pull, pull, pull. The reason we want a higher image is so that this looks clear. So I'm going to go back, right click, copy image URL, and I'm going to paste. Here it is as well. Now let me show you fast what will happen if I find a low one. It's going to make it's going to give me not as good of a picture. So let me find one. So I can X out of here. Let me find this really small one. I'll use this one right here. So I'm going to go to View Image. I'm going to copy it, and let me show you what happens. If I paste this picture in here, okay, this isn't so bad, but usually if I pull it out too far, or if it's too small, it doesn't look as clear. See how now it kind of doesn't look as clear as this one is. So the higher, the better. So it's your turn to go ahead and add your photo with the URL.